It's just another update on the FX. So I heard back from the insurance company after a week or so, and yeah, sort of, I suppose it was bound to happen, but they can't do anything for me because it's technically my fault. Even if his brake lights weren't working, apparently I should have still been able to stop. If there was like a sheep in the road or anything like that, it would have had to stop. So that's on me, and now I have to go and pay for the excess, which is $400, as the guy wants a new bumper for his truck. So yeah, that puts me out of pocket and a car that's pretty naffed. So the plan is tomorrow to rip into it and pull it apart, see what I can fix really. But yeah, I suppose if anyone has any parts, flip me a message. I think I've got lights, but yeah, the lights are smashed, bumper, bonnet, radiator, any aircon stuff. Might just delete the aircon, we'll see. But yeah, it'll be interesting whether I can actually pull it out the front or not, because that's all bent in. But yeah, if you want to help out, feel free to get in touch. Yeah, any parts or money towards parts or anything like that, I suppose. But yeah, that's the plan anyway. Now we can actually get to actually trying to pull it apart. We sort of needed to know from the insurance company what was going on. So you have to pay that bill and try to fix the car. But yeah, that's the end of the FX update. But we'll just chuck in now some clips of the 86 on the way home. So the other day I actually redesigned my blow-off valve trumpet. I actually 3D print them and they screw in. So I printed a new one that had sort of a different design. The air sort of had to flow through an angle and then would go at some flutes, so it sort of gets a bit more whooshy sort of noises, I suppose. So yeah, cut to the clip.